Hey guys, it's Niz. Welcome to my plucking tutorial. Let's get into it. First off, you're gonna need a white paper towel, and just any towel actually, a canvas head, and what you're gonna do with the paper towel is you're just gonna pin it down. And what I'm using is a 5x5 lace closure. So we're gonna be plucking this lace size. And then you're just gonna pin it down and brush out the hair. You're just gonna comb it out, and what you're gonna do here is you are going to start parting the hair. So you wanna part it straight down. Just you just wanna part it down and you just want to make sure that the hair are not in the way. So I'm gonna be using a wax stick from my brand SeracceWigs. And the wax stick is just in preparation of the hot comb. So you're gonna be using a hot comb to make sure that hair is light. It's just make sure the hair is just laying flat. The whole closure is laying flat. You're gonna be using a tweezer. I got this from Winners. It's a really nice sharp tweezer. So what you're gonna be doing is you're just gonna take your time with this, and you wanna just pluck out the hair one by one. So if you can see the knots and if you can see each strand of hair, you're just gonna take your time and try to pluck out each strand of hair. Make sure that you are not just in one place, in that you are everywhere. Comb out the hair if needed, because there are going to be some hair that is left on the actual closure that you would need to brush out. And as you can see, is quite a bit much, and this is only in the beginning, so you're gonna see a lot more like this. So you're just gonna continue. You just want to continue just hot combing and tweezing out the hair, and you want to alternate with the tweezer, like the long side to like the pointy side, to make sure you are getting those small hair that is hard to see or hard to take out. You just want to take your time with it, and you're not taking too many of the hair, and you just want to just go back and forth. You don't want to just stay in one place like I said before. You just want to go back and forth and take your time with it. And just going to continue on. And once that's done, or also what I'm doing there, uh, make sure you don't grab the hair too hard, because if the knots are super small, you could actually rip them out. So just make sure you are grabbing a lot of hair, and then you want to continue on with the process. You just want to make another part, and you're gonna put wax stick on. You're gonna take the hot comb and take the base of the hot comb, because that is the hard, like the hottest part. So use the big side of the hot comb, and just make sure it lays flat. You're just gonna keep continuing to do that, and also again, just keep combing out the hair. You can see the progress you're making. Once you're getting comfortable, you can take multiple. You can take more hair out in one spot. So, but just don't stay there for too long, and don't take too much out at that one spot, right? You want to continue plucking, and once you're getting comfortable, you're just gonna keep doing that for the rest of the hair. If you're not comfortable with it yet, make sure that you take your time. And then the last part here, I'm just using a hot comb and a wax stick to make sure I lay it flat. And as you can see with the progress that we've made on the previous parting, you can see that there are spaces, and it actually looks good. Like, it's not too dense. It's super flat. And what you want to do here is you want to pluck out the hair. Make sure that you are not plucking at the front of the hairline, like right in the front. You want to pluck behind the hairline. So make sure you do that for the rest of the closure, back and forth. I go back and forth just because it's easier that way. I don't want like to stay in one spot, because it does end up balding. So you just want to take your time with it and go back and forth, and just gonna keep continue doing that. And you do want to be careful when it comes to the front part of the closure, because the front parts tend to have a little bit more smaller knots. So they do rip out much easier. And you just want to take your time with it, and just be gentle when it comes to the front part of the lace. Using a hot comb is great because you could really see the progress that you're making, and you could really see what areas need more plucking. So if there's an area that has like a lot of hair in it, a hot comb will make it easier to see that. When you feel like you are satisfied with your plucking and how it looks, you can just you can just pretty much finish off by using a hot comb. And this is like what I like to do for my clients when it comes to plucking. There's definitely more to it. When it comes to plucking, you could do more or you could do less. I feel like for this one, this is perfect for me. I like this one because it just looks a lot more natural. So, this is pretty much the end of my plucking tutorial. So, if you guys want more tutorials, please let me know. I'll be happy to do them for you. And yeah, make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.